building housing the Assemblies of God Church has been burnt by armed bandits in Ugwa Gaida community near Kuman Castle, Chikum local government area of Kaduna State. At least 8 persons were killed in the attacks, while several other houses were also burnt. Samuel Arua, Commissioner for Internal Security and Home Affairs, who confirmed the attacks to Daily Trust, identified those killed as Samala Gajari, Bawa Gajiri, Bitrus Baba, Umaru Baba, Solomon Samaila, Sambo Kasuwa, Sumaila Kasuwa, and Gideon Bitrus. Arua said Governor Nasir El-Rufai condemned the attack on the place of worship and directed the State Emergency Management Agency to carry out an urgent assessment of the damage done by the invaders. Arua also said troops of the Nigerian Navy neutralized 3 bandits and arrested 2 accomplices after repelling the attack on Wakodna community near Castle Village, still in the Chikum local government area. According to him, the troops stationed at the Kujama checkpoint foiled the attack at Wakodna following a tip-off. He said bandits fled into surrounding bushes on sighting the troops and abandoned some rustled cattle, which were rounded up and returned to their owners. The troops arrested a suspected bandit informant, Kapido Alilu, and a logistics supplier, Umar Mufashi. Food and medical supplies meant for the bandits were confiscated. The suspects were taken into custody for further investigation, he said. He said El-Rufai noted the report of the attack on Ugwa Gaida with sadness and condoled the families of the slain citizens as he offered prayers for the repose of their souls. It don't finish. It don't end. It ends there. Oh, wow. It ends there. They will condemn, and that it will end there. Where is Operation Restore Peace to Southeast? Misplaced priority. This terrorist group cannot be arrested by the useless and non-ethic police. They are only meant to oppress the innocent people in the south. God will visit them with various degrees of calamities if they continue with their dastardly acts. And the so-called El-Rufai is still in that state where all these things are happening. Is so unfortunate. The question I keep asking, if President Buhari is different from other leaders, why is it that he can't even address all these atrocities going on in Nigeria and we are pretending as if nothing is wrong with it? Why not impeach him if he is not doing his job well? Nigerians are the ones that employed President Buhari to lead them, and they are the ones paying him. I don't even know why some people act as if President Buhari is the one doing Nigerians a favor. We never had it like this before. Photo president. And you are busy deploying police and soldiers to the southeast. Our good brothers, innocent bandits, please, we love you people. Please accept us and forgive us as we, the Nigerians, love you people, and we keep on praying for you until you accept Christ. The IGP recently inaugurated Operation Restore Peace in the South. It seems the North is more peaceful than the South. That is the handwork of followers of ironical religion of peace. El-Rufai will not declare such wanted since himself is a terrorist in his own way. More, El-Rufai unguided utterances brought more evils from the terrorists to Kaduna State because of his arrogance of ignorance. Woe unto Nasir El-Rufai. The reality, the military is doing house-to-house killing in the southeast and south, as I type now, but not in the north, where people are being killed on daily basis. But all the police and army are in southeast and south to restore peace. They always burn churches because that is part of their evil agenda. Please, where is Governor El-Rufai? What is he protecting? Is he only good in declaring people or NLC wanted? And this is of no concern to Buhari, IGP, Chief of Army Staff. Their concern is how to keep people in Southeast. God will judge this wicked and heartless governments. And attacking IG of police is in, and the acting IG is in the Southeast, intimidating the people with shoot at sight order. why, where such orders are needed, nothing is being done. He said, forget a human rights noise. Forget human rights, whatever. Do whatever you want to do with the secessionists. That is the order the IGP has given to the policemen. And the IDP is there intimidating the people with shooters sight, while their order are needed are not okay. Where they are needed is not being done. Madam IG with big nyash bring down all police force in East so that the terrorists will kill the North in number, and for your police they will just die in their number in the East. Why IGP of police is in the eastern region declaring war on innocent Biafrans? Issa Pantami will be very happy to hear this. So he will be happy to hear this. Not only him, even me, I'm happy to hear this. Oh, that nonsense. Okay, truth hurts Fulani because Fulani religion forbids truth. Oh my goodness. Nigeria, which way forward? The question I keep asking, if President Buhari is in this country, of course he's there. He's there. It's none of his business. Bandits, Fulani, cattle rustling Fulani, jihadists Fulani, land grabbers Fulani. Now, what do you mean by bandits? Are they not all Fulani people? I am very confused on how media houses are government report Fulani attacks, and the president is nowhere to be found, meaning he deserted himself, and I believe he knows the implications. Don't say bandit, say the government full soldiers burn church and kill many people. And IGP is giving shoot aside order in the southeast. It is time to revenge the sins since they have turned to religion, and the useless IG busy doing everybody just saying the same thing. The man is just over there. Say do whatever you want to do. Forget all those people who are making noise. They are unknown gunmen, not bandits. If they are bandits, why did they burn church at a time? Okay, when Kaduna is at the time when Kaduna is in critical condition, it might be a group of people gaining through violence. Those bandits, Governor El-Rufai bread, have waved into action again. What is the difference between Nigeria and its states, and Israel and Palestine? And soldiers and IGP are in the peaceful East doing what I don't know. Why the North boys? They changed the name terrorists to bandits, the sympathizers of terror. Police people will not do operation show force in Kaduna, only in the southeast. Only in the southeast.